Hello friends, this is Sonia, and today I am making some hidden paper clips. And you can use these for bookmarks. I had made these before and I was going to demonstrate this again. I think I made a video on this, but here are some little hidden paper clips that I made. You can use these as bookmarks, hook them in your journal. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy these are to make, okay? I made these from a 6x6 paper pad, 6x6, and you cut this in half. So this one I already cut in half. So, and then I want to fold it up. So basically you have 3x3, okay? Just fold it up. And let me get this a little straighter. And what I did, let's see, my corner rounder. I'm going to round these corners. And you don't have to do the bottom corners, but I like the way they look, so I think this is got a piece of paper stuck in it. I don't know. Let me round this corner if I can get this in there. Come on in there. Well, there we go. Okay. Now you've got these rounded. So all you do is you get a paper clip, either a long one. I used long ones on these, and you don't have to, I guess. But I want to put the longer part of this on the outside. So I've got the small part of it inside. I got the longer part outside. I center it. Then all you do, you just glue all this down. Just glue it all down. I'm using Fabri-Tac. And you just close it up. Close this up and let it dry. Now this one over here I already started, so I used a long one here. But then you just decorate it however you want. And I went in my sticker book and I found some little seahorse, and I found a little jellyfish, and I'm going to decorate with that. This was part of a sticker I put on the bottom to make it look like part of the ocean, I guess. So I'm just going to glue these on. And this is all you do to make a little bookmark or hidden paper clip. Glue that on there. I think that looks really nice. And here's my little jellyfish. Using up my stickers from my sticker book too. So that's going to go on there. Now on this one, you can put a little piece of ribbon on here if you want to. It looks really cool. Here's my little bookmark, my hidden paper clip. So I hope you like that today, and it's so easy to do. Just take a 6x6 pad and cut it in half, and then you fold it up, and you have a little bookmark. That's great for Happy Mail or to hook in your journals or whatever. So thanks for watching today, everybody. Bye-bye.